On this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is very easy, and the best part is that I'm going to be showing you the product that you have to promote. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you can use to promote the product. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create an account on Digistore24. It is available worldwide, so make sure you create an account and then follow these steps so that you can be making money from home. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see right here these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a lot of them, so any category that you want, you can find a digital product to promote. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. If you want to promote services, you can click right here to find a service that you can promote. If you want to promote events and seminars, you can click right here and you are going to find one to promote. If you want a physical product, you can click right here and you are going to get a physical product that you can promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting a physical product, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, supplements. Once you click on supplements, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are supplements that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different supplements. See the first one, you are going to be earning $104.33 per every sale that you get. If I scroll down, you can see this one too. You are going to be earning $133.95 per every sale that you get. There are many supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you can find other supplements that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many supplements. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this supplement, Vital Force. This is one of the best supplements that you can promote because the commission rate is very high. You can see it, $156.28. That is the commission rate. And the best part is that the product is highly converting, so you can promote it and then make money from home. To promote the product, the first thing is that you have to look at the details of the product. So first of all, you have to look at the sales page so that you can get some basic knowledge about the product. So you have to click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to buy the product. One good thing is that it is FDA approved. So your potential visitors are going to trust the product and then purchase it. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. So your potential visitors are going to read about it. Once they read it, they can decide to purchase the product for you to earn money. You can see there is money back guarantee if your potential customers buy it and they don't like the product. You can see 60 days, 100% money back guarantee. This kind of information convince people to buy product. Once they know that if the product is not working for them, they can return it. As a school, you can see everything about the product. Now, once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to check the affiliate page so that you can find out resources that you can use to promote the product. So you can click right here, affiliate support page. In this case, we are not going to be using the affiliate resources, so just leave it. But in case you want to use it, you can click on it and then find out the resources that you can use to promote the product. So now once you have your resources, you know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. You can see because I've been promoting it, this is my affiliate link. So when you click on it, you can copy it and then begin to promote. So what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy it for you to make money. You can use the paid traffic source, you can use the free traffic source. In this case, I'm going to be showing you the free traffic source. So when you promote it and then earn money, you can then use the paid traffic source so that you can be getting a lot of results. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is freeas.co.uk. This is a classified website that you can use to promote your products for free without paying for anything. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad. You can see the first one, the second one, the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and the rest. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you click on, you can find a subcategory that you can promote your product. You can see a whole lot of different categories. The best part is that this website gets a lot of traffic from the United Kingdom. As you can see on Similar Web, the website gets up to 4.2 million visits every month. As you can see right here, 92.2% of the traffic is coming from the United Kingdom. So we are going to be getting quality traffic because most of the people who live in the United Kingdom have the purchasing power to buy the product for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin to promote the product on this platform. To create an account, you're going to click right here, join for free. Once you click on it, you can create your accounts using your Google accounts, your Facebook accounts, Apple accounts, or you can enter your email, your password, your name, and then click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I'm going to log into my account so that I'll show you step by step on how to use this platform to promote your affiliate products. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad, so that you can promote your affiliate link. Once you click on post ad, we are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. In this case, we are going to select for sale. Once you click on it, you can see these are the subcategories that you can select. So you have to scroll down and then search for health and beauty. You can see it right here, health and beauty. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select a subcategory under health and beauty. You can see they have bath and body, dental care, diet and weight loss. You can see facial skin care and the rest. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see fragrances, hair care and styling, healthcare. You are going to select healthcare. Click on it. The product is about how to boost your immune system. So the health category is the right category that you can promote the product. You can see it right here. Once you select the category, you are going to paste a title of your ad right here. You have to write a nice title that can get people to click on it and then buy the product. So you are going to come back on the landing page. Once you come back, highlight and copy this text as your headline. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a brief description about the product, but you do not have to include your phone number, website or email address. So just paste the description of the product right here. What we are going to do is that we are going to come back on the landing page of the product and then highlight and copy this text as our description. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you have to enter the price of the product right here. To get the price of the product, you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you are going to scroll down and then look at the details of the product. You can see right here, this is the price of the product, but the price is in dollars, so you have to convert it to pounds. So we are going to reduce it to 200 pounds. Once you get the price, you are going to come back, enter 200 pounds. You can see that has been done. Once you enter the price, the next step is that you are going to click right here so that your phone number can be shown. If you don't want your phone number to be shown, you are going to click on it so that it will not be shown. Once that is done, you are going to select a location. If you want the website to use your present location, you can do that. If you want to enter any location that you want in the United Kingdom, you can do that. In this case, I've selected a location, so you can see it right here. If you don't want this location, you can click on it and then change the location to wherever you want. Once that is done, you're going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, the next step is that you are going to add photos of the product. You have to add images about the product so that it can get the attention of your potential viewers. So you are going to come on Google and then search for Vital Force supplements. That is the name of the product, Vital Force. Once you search for the name of the product, click right here, images. Once you click on images, you can see there are a lot of different images about the product. You can see this is an image of the product, this is an image of the product, this is an image of the product. There are many of them, so if you can scroll down and select those that you want. As I scroll, you can see many other images of the product. In this case, I prefer to use this image and this one right here. So what you have to do is that you have to right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on it, you are going to select save so that the image can be saved. Once that is done, you are going to move to the next image. Once that is done, you are going to come on the next image, right click, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save and the images has been saved on your device. Once that is done, you are going to come back, click right here, add photo, so that you can add your images. Once you click on it, you are going to select your images, click on open. You can see the images are uploading. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. Once that is done, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, your ad has been posted. You can see right here they are asking you to boost your ad. They want you to pay £4.99 so that they can boost your ad so that it can get a lot of viewers. But in this case, we are not going to pay for anything. We want to promote the ad. Once we are able to get people to purchase it, we can then upgrade to the premium version. So just leave it like this. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, skip. Once you click on skip, you are going to see a page like this. If you want them to give you notifications, you can click on yes please. I don't want to receive notification from them, so I'm going to click right here, maybe later. The next step is that you have to add your affiliate link, because the ad that we have posted, there is no affiliate link on the ad. So when people view it, there's no way they can get access to the product. So what you have to do is that we have to insert our link so that when people view it, they can click on our link and then buy the product. To add your link, you are going to click right here, edit, so that you can edit your ad. Once you click on edit, these are the details of your ad. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, add a website address. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here, paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, save ad, so that your ad can be saved. As you can see, your ad has been saved. You can see success, your ad is updated and live. So your ad is now live, and anytime people see it, when they click on your affiliate link and then buy the product, you are going to be earning a commission on Digistore24. So let me just skip it and go back. I'm going to prove to you that this method works. So let me just scroll down to show you. You can see this is the ad that we just posted. You can see it right here. I posted a similar ad and this is the results. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see it got 9,416 searches, and then it had 2,781 views, and then I got 16 enquiries and then 189 offers. So this is working. So you have to keep on posting different ads on this platform. You don't need to duplicate the same ad. You have to go back on Digistore24, find a different product and then post an ad about it on this platform. Make sure you keep on posting different ads, onto the platform so that you can get results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.